What did you get?
Coloring book.
Let me see.
Maddie, do it twice. Max, move the little lever twice. The one that erases what you drew.
This. You gotta keep doing that.
Yeah.
Tyler, let me see yours.
Mommy.
What else did you get? Let me see your jammies.
Mommy, I want to see mine. Look at my bunny.
Yes.
Marshmallow.
Oh, what a pretty bunny. Turn it around.
Mine. I eat it.
What are they?
Look here.
No, what are they?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallow. Do I hear? Ah!
Oh my goodness
It's
gracious.
nasty.
You got a sweet.
Okay, can you guys say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Say thank you, Grandpa Bob and Grandma Judy.
Thank you. Look at the camera. That's Judy's looking
Say
at
thank you, Grandma Judy. It's right here. Right to
here
my
the
camera.
There's
Say
Judy.
thank you, Grandma Judy.
Hi, Judy.
Thank you, Grandma Julie.
We miss you.
We miss you.
Okay.